Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. If you are new here, my name is Rachel and today I'm gonna take you with me going to Hacienda Sabanera. Hacienda Sabanera is located in Cidra here in Puerto Rico. It's not far from here in our house. It's only take like 35 minutes to go there. And this place is really nice. I like this Hacienda Sabanera place because the trail is very long and then they have forest area that you can hike and it's shaded. You can walk around the lake and there's a lot of people go there because they like doing fishing and they do kayaking and they do the picnic too. You can do a lot of stuff there. You live nearby and if you wanna check this place, I'm gonna put information on the description below. We're gonna go there now, so yeah, let's go. So there's a small gazebo and then I'm gonna walk you straight and you will see the beautiful view. Look at this, it's very pretty and they have a house there and this is the lake. Oh my, it's so pretty. This Hacienda Sabanera is very nice, especially if you like hiking. You can hike a lot here. It's very steep going down. I hope we don't have to turn around. I hope there's something like connected going out. It's kind of slippery because it rained a lot. It is sticky because it rained a lot, remember? But it's not bad. Oh my god, you better be careful. You're gonna slide down here.
Okay.
Casey! Casey, come here! Don't walk too fast. They make a cinema here also at night sometimes. Then we're gonna follow this trail again. Just keep going. There's a lot of shade here and it's really nice trail and super long trail. I wonder how long it is. Casey's super fast. He's just running like a horsey. There's a lot of oyster mushroom here, but it's very old, so you can't eat it.
Still wrong.
Finally, we made it out. Yeah, Casey. Oh my gosh, where we are. It's a super huge area. I didn't even know where we are now. So we're gonna walk around. Casey, come on.
Yeah.
This is where we came from. Let's just follow this trail. Just follow the sign. And then there's more trail here, very near to the lake. You can walk around the lake, and there's a lot of people earlier that they're doing picnic, but now they're gone. Oh wow, that was big iguana. We're done today. I want to stop in Ralph's. I'm going to stop in Ralph's store. Yes, and I want to get some kale. We went way too far. We went in the wrong way.
Yeah. Well,
I told you, use GPS.
maybe we can get back this way. Oh no, this is, we can go to Caguas.
We're
that
lost.
way.
We didn't use GPS because we thought we know where we're going, and then
I went the wrong way.
hey guys, we're gonna make a pizza. I'll show you how to make a pizza. We already have a dough here, and we have some extra rice flour, and we're already doing this. And I'm gonna show you the ingredients. I have here the pasta sauce, the cheese, the tomato, mushroom, black olives. Yes, some spinach, some onion, more tomato, multicolors of bell peppers, and some meatballs. And we have also Brussels sprout here that's already cooked. Personal pizza has to be super thin. There you go. Alex put the pizza crust on the grill. We're gonna cook the crust first for like 5 minutes, and then when it's cooked, we're gonna put the sauce in there and the toppings. It looks like bigger this time.
It's thicker. it seems
Yeah,
like.
thicker, I mean.
No, maybe because it's not as big.
No, you didn't plait it good. I mean, you
I
didn't
know,
make
but
it
it has
flat.
to fit under the thing.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, I'm gonna throw some cheese. Oh, I want some cheese.
Mip.
Don't put too much, just a little bit little. I like more onion.
Better hurry up and cover it.
Yeah, you have to. Do you put more tomato?
Yeah, we need more tomatoes too.
More spinach too. More cheese on top. Yum. So it's already done. It seems like it's too much toppings. Sounds crunchy. Yum. Here is the pizza. I'm excited to eat it. It's very crunchy underneath, and like on top soft. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So good. It's a lot of vegetable. So yummy.
We'll have to divest from Silicon Valley and Wall Street as much as possible.
And this is the second batch. We're gonna eat more pizza tonight. The Brussels sprout are also good because it's really tasty. I just put olive oil in it, and then soy sauce, and a lot of herbs, and then some turmeric powder. Then I bake it, and it's really good. Do you like the Brussels sprout? It's really good. I just cook super fast. Not much spinach in there.
It's just covered.
Think we're gonna finish all of it? So many. Smell good. Casey, you can.
What I call a blob that basically runs the U.S.